From sunrise to sunset, these summer months at the novitiate are filled with much agricultural and farm work. The novitiate's large property and grassy fields provide a select resource for growing and gathering hay. In the past 2 years, we have established, fertilized, and harvested over 150 acres of farm ground. From cutting and raking to baling and storing, we have been able to sell small square bales and large round bales to local farms. By growing a large assortment of fresh vegetables and fruit, much of our produce comes straight from the novitiate's garden and orchard. During these months, we till, plant, and cultivate the garden to harvest vegetables, which will be prepared for the priests and brothers in our kitchen. We also care for a large assortment of poultry and livestock. The orchard provides an excellent pasture to raise and shelter sheep, which graze under the trees and collect the fallen apples. During this time, we will also raise and butcher nearly a dozen turkeys and over 600 chickens to provide for all the poultry needs throughout the year for the novitiate. Additionally, we have free-range laying hens which produce all the eggs for the kitchen's cooking needs. Lastly, for pork production, we raise grass-fed pigs. By using tractor pens, the pigs can be moved each day to provide them fresh grass. We would especially like to thank all of our numerous benefactors who have made our agricultural productions possible. Please be assured of our prayers for your intentions and needs, which we specifically include in our daily rosary. Thank you, and God bless.